The second reason red crabs eat frogs is because of their picky requirements for birthing rooms. Even an idiot knows that red crabs are land crabs. Did you know that? Hope you don't. Red crab eggs can only hatch in water, so they have to trek all the way to the beach to lay eggs. Ma Chao. Cousin cried her heart out while munching on cousin's body for a long time. Family's the easiest to deal with. Can't finish? No problem. Take it to go. According to my research, if you want to stay alive, don't die. And the struggle along the way, only the red crab mom and the cousin in her belly know. So, who's gonna suffer? Not me. Your mom needs to get her strength back too. But what if the kid eats too much?
Put your hands up in the air.
Come on.
Homies got my back though. Come on. Homies got my back though.
Come on.